What is that?
This is really my pet bird.
A pet bird? Where does it come from?
A bird. It comes from a tree.
A tree?
You don't know what a tree is? You don't have trees on your hill? We have lot of fun with trees around. We play under the tree, swing on its branches and climb on it to eat fruits. Animals and humans rest under its cool shade when it is too hot. The tree also shelters them during the rain. My papa says that trees take in polluted air and give out fresh air for us to breathe. He also says that trees get us rains, which is good.
Rains? Rains are not good. Yes, see, we have lot of bad weather on our hill. Windstorm takes away our things with it. And rains are not good for us. It always destroys our houses and all the sand comes down the hill.
I know.
What?
Come with me. The roots of a tree creeps deep inside and holds the soil firmly. It also holds the rainwater under the earth and acts like a reservoir for us to use it later. So the trees guard our soil.